Okay, I don't know how exciting this is, but as you can see, I've used my lovely reciprocating saw to get inside of my old fuel filter from my Land Rover Discovery. I was just curious to see what's inside of it, how dirty it might be, so I've kind of, hopefully, like a Kinder Surprise, this will open up and reveal the contents. Obviously be careful with this because you've got sharp metal. Might put on some better gloves, safer gloves. So this stuff is the gunk that I've made by sawing it. Actually in here it's clean, so can't really see anything nasty in there. What we've got going on elsewhere. So I think that's just that colour from whatever the plastic is, but it could be, don't know whether it's gone that colour. Is that gunk from the fuel, or is it just me? That's a filter. Highly scientific. It's not designed to be taken apart, I'm afraid. I don't know if that's significant, but there is a dark patch here, so I might see if we can get this off and have a look. I thought it would come apart easier than this, but it is obviously designed not to come apart very easily. Right, this is probably the worst, least scientific ever inspection. I find this is really difficult to take apart. I'm sure there are people out there who are probably cleverer than me that could do it. I might just try sawing with a hacksaw between that, so I can just pull out a section of the paper mesh. It's like a paper card mesh. See whether I can just expand it and just see what's in it. And keep it sided. Highly exciting, isn't it? Anyway, from what I can see, it doesn't look like there was a lot of contamination in my fuel pump, in my fuel as I was concerned about. So, pretty rubbish test, I'm sorry, but I don't know, not everything you do is amazing, is it? Did I find the bit with the stain on it? I wonder what that is. Let's see if we can get that bit out. Maybe it had a bit of... Well, hey, I don't know if the stain is from my fuel or whether that is just some kind of dye that was in it. I don't know. So that's how a Land Rover fuel filter looks like when you try and take it apart badly. Not sure this is really a video for the useful archives, but there you go. That's what they look like. And I suppose the good thing is to say this is pretty tough. So buying a genuine Land Rover one it's pretty tough to saw that apart. Good sign that you've got a tough fuel filter on a car that is designed for going over all terrains, but I'm not sure what I've proven about the condition of it. Anyway, I may or may not publish this, depending on how little content I've got.